Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Ryobi P3320. This is Ryobi's 2-speed fan. It has hybrid power supply capability, which means that it can both be powered with a standard 120 volt extension cord, or it can be powered with a Ryobi 1 Plus battery. The fan is a little smaller than I expected it to be when I got the box. I expected the box to be a little bigger, but the fan's fairly efficient. It's essentially a personal fan. I've been using it in my workshop. I don't really have 110 power in my workshop, and it's been working great. And I've also been pleased with the battery. So looking at the back, as you can see, there's the dual power input. On the left side, you can put in a plug from an extension cord, and on the right side is the opening for the 1 Plus battery. The fan also has a hook, so you can hang it upside down from a hook or something on the ceiling, and it can also hang it from a nail because that hook has a hole in the center that's V-shaped, so you can hang it on a nail or a hook or anything you've got on the ceiling. Here's how the battery goes in. This is a standard 1 Plus battery, and it just clips in place, and now you're ready to use it. The fan has one button. It's a rocker button, and you rock it to one side, it's low speed, and you rock it to the other side, it's high speed. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Really happy with it. If you're interested in purchasing it, I'll put a link in the comments for the fan. And hope you've enjoyed and gotten something out of this review. Thanks.